Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel Beauty Secret by Samira. Today I'm going to share with you a sleeping mask review from Laniege. Watch on for more details. Laniege water sleeping mask. I hope this video is helpful to all, so don't forget to subscribe, like, comments and share with family and friends. Now let's get started. So the sleeping mask comes in a sturdy and lightweight plastic jar which is easy to carry around, and this product is very travel friendly and very lightweight, and the product quantity is 50 ml. I love that packaging. This product packaging color is aqua blue and the product packaging is very good quality packaging. So now coming to the mask is gel textured and extremely lightweight on skin. It absorbs in microseconds and leaves a total non-greasy feel on skin. It carries mild yet intoxicating fragrance of roses. It is formulated with ceramides, mineral water and extracts from orange flower, sandalwood and roses. Also, it is free from harmful chemicals and not tested on animals. So this product is very safe of our skin, and the product is suitable for all skin types like dry, combination, normal or oily. And this product is dermatologically tested. So this product is very useful for our skin. And now coming to the performance and results of the mask. The overnight mask is a burst of hydration for dry skin. It really repairs skin and improves it within few days uses. You can clearly feel the softness in skin, and the difference is visible in the overall health of the skin. Infused with apricot, chestnut and so any other minerals, it turned out to be a great remedy for your tired skin. And it contributes towards renewal of skin by evening out the skin. So the product is very effective of our skin, and this product absorbs instantly and works while you sleep to deeply hydrate skin and recharge dehydrated skin overnight. This unique mask is formulated with highly concentrated ionized mineral water and ceramides to deliver intense touches of moisture to stressed, parched skin, and aromatic sleep scent, orange flower, rose and sandalwood relaxes and rejuvenates, while apricot and chestnut extracts exfoliate, brighten and purify fatigued skin. So skin looks and feels radiant, refreshed and soft. Wake up to soft glowing skin. It is formulated without parabens and sulfates. The product is dermatologically tested and non-comedogenic and recommended for all skin types. So this product is very useful for our skin. Now I'm saying that how to use this product. After toner and emulsion, apply evenly across face. After product is absorbed completely, leave treatment overnight, sleeping mask and rinse off in the morning. And this product use once or twice a week to get best results. I hope this video is helpful to all. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comments and share with family and friends.